Now start with the exercise 4.2. Just see, in exercise 4.2, the first one is simplify the following using the laws of exponents and write the answers in the exponential form. Okay, so how you can solve it easily. 5 upon 6, 5 upon 6 means the base is same, so write it as 5 upon 6, and here the multiplication is sign is there, so you just write 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, means 5 upon 6 to the power 10. Okay, now here is the division, means 4 upon 5 to the power 3 minus 2, it is equal to 4 upon 5 to the power 1. Okay, now see here, minus 6 upon 5 to the power 3, 8 means 3 multiplied by 8 means 6 upon 5 minus 6 upon 5 to the power 24. Here 17 upon 20, 17 upon 20, you can write 17 upon 20 to the power 0, 8 means you just have to add, it writes 8. Okay, 0 plus 8 is, now see the second question, prove the following. Okay, a to the power 5 divided by a to the power 3 is equal to a to the power 5 minus 3. You just have to solve the examples and then you have to find out it is the proof. Then a to the power 5 divided by a to the power 3, it is equal to a to the power 5 minus 3. Okay, so write it as 8, how many times are there? 5, so 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 2, 3. Okay, now see on that side 8 to the power 5 minus 3, so 8 cancel the 8 which are the similar, here written 8 to the power 2, and here you have to write 8 to the power 2, means this is the proof. Okay, this division also you can do the same, it is the similar one. Now see the C1, it is the addition, 3 to the power 7 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 is equal to 3 to the power 7 plus 5. Okay, now see 3 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 multiplied by 3 to the power 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now it is equal to 3 to the power 7 plus 5. Just count the number 3, how many times are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. So write it here, 7 to the power 12 is equal to 3 to the power 7 plus 5 means 3 to the power 12 and 3 to the power 12. Okay, so in this way you have to prove the remaining one. Just see the question, third one. Find the value of the following. It is A, 18 upon 35 to the power 19 divided by 18 upon 35 to the power 19. Okay, just simply divide the number, 18 upon 35 to the power 18 upon 35, here is the power 19, here is the power 19. So when you are writing this number 19 times, it will become as 18 to the power 35, just 19 minus 19, so 18 upon 35 to the power 0, so it is equal to 1. Okay, see the C1, 2 to the power 0 multiplied by 5 to the power 0 multiplied by 8 to the power 0 and divided by 2 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power 0 plus 8 to the power 0. Okay, now if any number is having the power 0 means 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, and here 1 plus 1 means 1 upon 3. Okay, it will be the easy one. Yes everyone, just see the next question, question number 4. Find the value of x in each of the following equation. Okay, see the first, 7 upon 4 to the power 3 multiplied by 7 upon 4 to the power plus 5, it is equal to 7 upon 4 to the power x minus 2. So you can write 7 upon 4. Okay, 3 times you have to write, multiplied by Okay, so it is equal to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to write 7 upon 4 to the power 8. So here what is the value of x? X minus 2 means here you have to write 7 upon 4, it is equal to 6 minus 2. Okay, so what is the value of x? X is equal to 2. Similarly, you can find out the value of all the remaining 1. Now see the next question. It is also the same one. Simplify, okay. Here the number 16 to the power 2, 9 to the power 4 and multiplied by 27 and divided by number 3. We just have to write the number. Question 5th 1. 16 to the power 2 multiplied by 9 to the power 4 multiplied by 27 and divided by 6 to the power 3 multiplied by 12 to the power 4. Okay, now we just have to write the numbers. 16 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 27 and divided by 6 multiplied by 12 and 12. Okay, now here which number you can reduce the reduced number? Just see here, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Which number is remaining? 3. Again 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Again which number is remaining? 6. 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Okay, now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here number is 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, 3 3 3 multiplied by 9 and here is divided by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4. Okay, and multiplied by 4. Now see here, again you can reduce the 4 and 4. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So which one is the remaining one? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here is the number 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 9 and on the downside 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81 upon 8. So this is the value of the answer. This is the value of that question. Okay, in this way you have to solve the all questions. See the question number 8. Simplify and write the answer as a power of a 10. You just have to write the power as a 10. Okay, now 5 5s are 25, 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. How can you write this number? Power of 10. Okay, now see the question number 9. Simplify using law of exponents. Okay, so here is the first one, x to the power 5 multiplied by x to the power 10 multiplied by x to the power 3. Okay, now see how can you solve it? When the bases are same, you just have to add x to the power 5 plus 10 plus 3. So it is equal to x to the power 80. Okay, so this is also similar. Now in this way you have to solve the all remaining one. Are you understood, student, how to solve the examples? Okay, now see the next one, standard form of numbers. The standard form of number is one of the form k multiplied by 10 to the power n, where k is the number between 1 and 10 and n is an integer in the beginning of the chapter. We discussed that the age of the universe is approximately how much? Yes, and this can be written in the standard form as 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 9. Yes, which is very easy to read and write also in comparison to the 10-digit number with the 8. Okay, now express the following numbers in standard form. So 2.9 multiplied by 2.9 is written as 2.9 multiplied by 10 to the power 0, or 29 is written as 2.9 10 to the power 1, 290 is written as 2.90 10 to the power 2, 2900 is written as 2.9 10 to the power 3. So yes, just see when you have shifted the number, that 2.9, so it will be written as on the power of 10. Okay, Now see the 19th one. 72 multiplied by 10 to the power 6. So it can be written as 7.2 multiplied by 10.1 and multiplied by 10 to the power 6. Now see here, base are the same. So 7.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. Okay. Now see this one. 0.00092 multiplied by 10 to the power 8. So 0.92 is written as, or 92,000 is written as 9.2 into 10 to the power 4. Okay. See the next one is, write 10785284 and 708604095 in an expanded form. See how much numbers are given there. So how you are writing this number as? Just count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 7. Then 0 is 0. Again 7 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 multiplied by, where is the 7? Yes. 7 multiplied by 10 to the power 5, then 8 multiplied by 4. Now when you are going onwards, the number of 10 to the power are decreases. Sorry, it will be, yes, the number of powers will be decreases, means it becomes lower and lower. Okay. Now find the number for each of the following. 9 into 10 to the power 7. So just write the number 9 into 10 to the power 7, means it is having the 7 zeros in front of that. Then 10 to the power 6 means 0. 6 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5 means the 6 in front of 6, there are the 5 zeros. 0 into multiplied by 10 to the power 4 is 0. It is again 0. Then 3 into multiplied by 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means 100. And 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 1 is 10. Okay. So in this way you have to form the numbers. Are you understood, student, everything? Yes. Just see in exercise 4.3 some questions are given there. Now see the first one. What is given? Write the number in standard forms. So first one is 0 point, how much zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after that 657. So you can write it as 6.57 into multiplied by, here is the 10 to the power 15. Okay. Now reduce the number and shift that point. Then number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. When it is written as 6.57, how much numbers are reduced there? 9. So 15 minus 9 is 6. So you can write it as 10 to the power 6. Are you understood? Just see the B1. 8.758 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. Okay. So how it can be written as 8.758 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. Now see the C1 is, what is given? 0.53 multiplied by 100. So 0.53, otherwise you will write 5.3 into multiplied by 10 to the power, means it is shifting the 1 point here, means 1 0 is there, means 10. So it can be write as 10 to the power only 1. You see the D1. How many numbers are there? 17. So it can be written as 3.59 multiplied by 10 to the power 17. Are you understood how to write down? Okay. Now see the second question. Express the following number in the expanded form. So the number is 8265287. Okay. Now see where the number is lying. 8. So write down 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. Plus 6 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. Plus 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 3. Plus 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. Plus 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 1. And 7 multiplied by 10 to the power 0. Okay. In this way you have to write the, see the B1 also. You just have to write 10 to the power. Okay. 4900 4900 87010 5. Just see the first number 4. 4 multiplied by how many numbers? 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to write 10 to the power 9 plus 0 is there. So you have to write 0 plus 0 plus 8. 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 7 multiplied by 10 to the power 4 plus again 0 plus 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. Yes, and plus again 0 plus 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 1. Sorry, 5 multiplied by 10 to the power 0 because 10 means ones. So it is the easy one. You just have to convert it into the 10 to the power. Okay, now see the third question. Convert 300 kilometer into the centimeter and express it in the standard form. So 300 kilometer means how much? 300 kilometer means you have to convert it into the 300 kilometer. It is equal to, it can be written as 3.0 into 10 to the power 7, okay, in the centimeter. So how many zeros are there? 3. Meter, kilometer, convert it to the centimeter, okay. Now see the fourth one. Convert 2568 kg into a gram. 2568 kg, and when it converted into the gram, just write it as 2568000 because 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, and the standard form can be written as 2.568 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In this way you have to find the answer. Now see the fifth one. A. 5.0 into 10 to the power 11. So here you have to write 11 can be written as 5. You have to write 11 0 means 5, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is the value. Now see the B1. 1.385 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. So here you have to write 1385 and 0, 0 because 2, when you are multiplying by 5 0 and then the shift the number 1 2 3 here, then 2 is reduced, so here you will be 5 0 0. Okay. Now see the C1. 1 10 to the power 5. 6 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. 3, 2 and 1. So it can be written as 165,205. Okay. Now in this way you have to solve the remaining one. Okay students. Now 4.3 will be over. I hope you will understood all the concept in the lesson number 4, that is exponents. Thank you so much everyone. Now next we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much.